bakuru b'amatendekero gahiguru bahire okushaba oku babe nibabugana bamemba b'akakiiko aka Education Policy Review Commission kandi bashabire gavumenti okwihaho emishoro erikuteebwa ha byoma ebirikukoresebwa okushomesa sayansi hamwe n'endiizo mishoro erikuteebwa ha bashomesa ningashi work permit fees abarikuruga heru kushomesa omu Uganda.
Actually, this country prioritized the sciences of research, and from the recent prioritization of sciences, we have not reached a level even of having output.
Kokutemishoro equipment ningashi ebyoma ebitukukozesa okutendeka abashaho hati kitugumira bukwe sente ezo tuka private institution ningashi university tungo buyambu ku government nikitugumira.
Consumers, we talk to the distributors. Are we able to get power consistently when we need? And that's a big challenge. So running generators to maintain a university of this size is really an expensive affair.
Akakiiko aka ka Education Policy Review Commission kahendire okuchondoza kwabo izoba lya nyuma abazi omuri burenje rw'izoba bwanyuma y'okutahira amatendekero agari mu Kabale University, NTC Kabale, Kampala International University, Mbara University of Science and Technology hamwe na Bishop Stewart University.
Twina bingi bye tukola research n'ebirala. Abasomesa nabo beyongedde naye enamba ekyali wansi nnyo. Waliwo departments ezimu ezina abasomesa babiri, waliwo endala ezina omusomesa omu.
Kuchondoza tukomereho amashomero nangwa n'obwe okuchondoza kukatandikira okushoma ebitabo, kushoma za police, kushoma government white paper ya 1992 n'ebindi biraje biri kukwata aha bwegese.
Gashako Abdukarim Sengendo.